No, I'll do that anyway. Hey, his fault.
No cell phone pictures.
Mr. Burnell? Hey, Jerry, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I got a couple things for you. If you need to now, we can do that. That way I can explain to you. I was probably discovering that you know we can do that. Okay. So we'll get halfway through. No, fine.
Attendance in the gallery. No cell phone pictures.
He is.
I'm just considering you can get him finish. I'll walk you through this. Right now, just in case. Thank you.
Thank you, y'all. Let me see.
Thank you.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey, boss. This is Manziel. How you doing? Jerry. Stephanie. Okay. All right. Okay, we're just going to be here just for a moment so we could discuss bond conditions that I want to place on this case. Mr. Manziel, you know my job as judge is just to make sure that you get a fair shot at the process. Okay, that's one of the jobs that I have now as judge. My other job as judge is just to make sure that everybody in the case stays safe. So that includes yourself and Miss Crowley as well. Okay. So I'm going to issue two conditions of bond. The first is I'm going to order that you have no contact with Miss Crowley. Okay. So by no contact, what I mean by that is that you can't call her, you can't text her, you can't email her, you can't send her any letters or go to where she's at. Okay.
Sure.
I'm going to add to that, and I'm not suggesting that you are doing these things or that you would even consider doing these things, but I'm just going to add that you can't try to follow her or do anything like that. All right.
Sure.
The responsibility of following this part of my order is on you. Okay. So it would not be. Sometimes I hear from guys who say, "Well, you know, she called me first. You know, I'm just responding to a text, things like that." Responding to something that she initiated to you would not be an excuse to not follow my order. Okay.
Sure.
So you're an adult. You're a grown man. You can choose who you speak to on the phone, who you answer the door for, things of that nature. Okay. Is there any reason that you would need contact with Ms. Crowley at this point?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. The second condition I'm going to put on you is that you cannot possess any firearms. All right. Do you own any firearms?
No, sir.
Okay. wherever you are living, are there firearms in the home? Does somebody else have firearms in the home? Okay. All right. Bob, would you hand this to Mr. Manziel? Mr. Manziel, this is an affidavit that basically just says exactly what you just told me, that you don't own any firearms. You don't live anywhere where there are firearms. Okay. So if you just sign that there at the bottom,
Sir.
we'll make sure that that stays on file.
Do you want me to get a file mark?
We'll take care of it for you. Thank you.
You betcha.
Okay. Are there any questions for me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you'll have a good day. And I'll talk to your lawyers about your next court sitting, all right?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your
Court
Honor.
is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Docket sheet.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Bob.
No, it's not that much. I just separate it. Sometimes it makes it easy for me to. I understand. Okay. Yeah. But if you'll sign it today, that you got, I'll be following you. I'll get a chance to open it, you know, try to see what it is.
Hope you're not taking pictures. So.
You need?
Yes, sure. Approach.
Yep. Yeah.
You know what? My mother would have been 100 years old today.
Right. Oh, I know. They're always going to want to do that, but ultimately they'll come to me. And so,
Right.
it is a typical standard procedure to basically twist the arm inside the panel. So I mean, he can start making the house in my situation. So I'm not. Right. Yeah. No, exactly. No, once you pay it, no, it's gone. So, I mean, ultimately, that's why I say about 6 to 30 months. So after that, we should have some now. About the Yeah, he should set it up. I mean, he should go through that process.
Day setting, y'all want to say, hey, for now,
Yes, I would concentrate on you know, even probation. Yeah, I mean, ultimately, it's going to work it all.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, I mean, they're going to have to kind of, yeah.
we're going back to,
They're going to have to come and meet for an arrest warrant.
We're behind you.
Yeah.
Maybe excuse me.
Yeah.
Sure.
To the real.
Jim Darnell, nice to meet you, Jim.
You from El Paso?
I am from El Paso.
grew up there.
Is that right? Okay,
I went to UTEP for a couple semesters and transferred out.
okay.
It's been a while since
And moved to the big city.
Yeah.
Well, it's good.
Yeah. So, but yeah, it's nice to meet you. It's been a while since I've had an El Paso.
Well, I'll try not to disappoint.
Okay.
Okay, good to meet you. You want to talk to
Yeah.
Judge Mayor Brother.
Yeah.
Bob?
That'd be my much preference too. So it works.